I'm about to throw that line out in the water. Throw that line in the middle of the lake. Throw that line out in the water. Throw that line, gotta make it to the bank. Flip a early bird, get the worm out. No concern how this turns out. Navigating to a hole you ain't heard about. Rip the early herb, burn out. Sun rising, load up the truck and climb right in. Throw the boat on the roof, now I'm riding. Waterproof GoPro pics. Got a presidential fish named Joe, cause he biting. Snapchats of my catch, fat bass on my line. No denying, I ain't lying, I'm excited. Ned rig when I twerk with the hook. Make the mind of a fish think it's worth it to bite it. Throw that line out in the water. Throw that line in the middle of the lake. Throw that line out in the water. Throw that line, gotta make it to the bank. Throw that line out in the water. Throw that line in the middle of the lake. Throw that line out in the water. Throw that line, gotta make it to the bank. I'm tying on a spinner, trying to catch my dinner. Entering the creek, bass in the summer, in the winter, waders on my feet. Catch, no release, trout feast. Later on the week, fish fighting like an alligator beast freak. On a leash from the deep, dark bottoms of the beach. Lightweights can't reach cause they gas out. I'm an outcast, so I cast out just to get away from the everyday cause I'm cashed out. Throw that